Hello, 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 Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. Welcome, welcome, and welcome again to my channel, you all. I am TErickaLove, y'all. How are you all doing? Okay, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp, and cross watchers. What are we doing here in this video? We're just going to shuffle these up. We're going to get you all some messages, whatever comes out. Those are going to be your messages. And then we're going to clarify. We'll just elaborate or look more into the initial messages, okay? All right, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. If you are new here, welcome. I really hope that you'll find something here that will be helpful to you all, okay? If you are returning, welcome back, y'all. And guess what? If you are returning, guess what? Guess what? Okay, y'all. So we got some new card decks coming out. Yeah, we got some new card decks coming. I am so excited about that, okay? The videos, the readings, the messages is going to get juicy here. We're going to be able to see some stuff, okay? All right, so Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. As you know, I know you already know that these will be general messages. They may or may not resonate with all of you beautiful individuals, okay? If you find messages here that resonate, please feel free to take them with you. If you find messages here that does not resonate with you at all, then please do just leave them here on the table to allow someone to pick them up that they will resonate with. All right. Okay, so Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp, we have your messages or cross watchers, okay? So first one out here is Divine Masculine. So it looks like these messages will be revolved around the masculine here in this connection, okay? Masculine energy, all right? Okay, so you have white flag. So it could be possible that this divine masculine, this masculine is wanting a second chance here. All right, let me just get that right. Go down a little bit. Okay, so someone wants another chance to make things right here. Maybe this masculine has the desire to do things better if you give them another chance, okay? You got betrayal, but masculine here could be kind of not sure how you're going to take them wanting a second chance, maybe due to some type of betrayal, okay? So you got to trust this part of your journey, understanding that through pain, this is teaching you and others to love more deeply and in a higher divine capacity, okay? So through this past betrayal, this is going to help you understand how to love more deeply, okay? Also, you have integrity. So you have to ask yourself, does this situation, does this person align with your values and your morals, okay? So let's clarify. Let's see what's going on. Tell us more about this divine masculine here, okay? It's fed up. So the masculine energy here is fed up, or this masculine has, you just fed up here with the masculine here, okay? Could be for some of you all right? So let's look at this white flag, okay? All right, so this masculine energy or someone here in this connection has been, they have had their head all in the clouds, and they've been thinking about some things here. And this has, these thoughts has pushed them towards wanting another chance here from you, okay? So let's look at the betrayal here. Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. Tell us more about the betrayal. All right. So this person could have betrayed you by having some more than one person here, okay? Or your person could be dealing with someone who maybe wants to be you or acts like you here, okay? Maybe you just discovered here that there was, you know, like a third party, and this situation and everything, you feel like this person has betrayed you here, okay? So let's look more into the integrity. All right. So someone here maybe could possibly have a low IQ, maybe just don't understand the damage that they have caused or what they have actually done to you here, okay? Or you could be dealing with someone that really has a low IQ and just not mentally equipped to understand what's going on, okay? Okay, or what has transpired. So let's get some more clarity. Tell us more about this masculine that is fed up here. All right, so someone wants another opportunity to rewrite this love story here, to reconcile love here, okay? Now this white flag here, you got a happy family. So the person that wants another chance, the desire to do things better, the one that has their head out in the clouds, they now are thinking here that they maybe it could be you that wants to create this happy family here with this person, or the person is wanting this with you here, okay? Now the betrayal and the impersonator. Okay, so Cupid came in and struck someone with this arrow here, all right? And you have shyness, okay? So you have to encourage a person, or maybe just be more patient here with this person as they use their, you know, bow and arrow to kind of wipe the... Not like that, y'all. Okay, someone is needing to rid themselves of a third-party situation is what I'm getting, okay? So you have to be patient and take it slow, or just, yeah, okay? So let's look at the integrity and low IQ. All right, getting to know you. So you all have to sit down and have a conversation here with this person. See where their head is at, because this low IQ could mean that you just need some clarity and you're unsure here, okay? Also, you have weather out the storm. So someone is not wanting to give up here on the person or the situation, okay? So let's get a few more messages. Tell us more. All right, so you got nostalgia here. This could be someone that you have dealt with in the past here, or someone is really doing a lot of romanticizing and reminiscing here, okay? All right, so someone, let's see, white flag here. Okay, you got unity. So someone wants another chance to kind of be able to see if you all can come together as one. All right, now the betrayal with the impersonator. Okay, you have feminine here. So we have feminine energy here and divine masculine. So this masculine energy could have maybe two people to choose from here. Okay, but you have to just stand in your power. Ask yourself, does the situation align with your morals and your values? Be the divine person that you are created to be in the situation, okay? And you also have breakthrough and epiphany, okay? So you could be receiving this epiphany soon, or you could have recently received this here. And this should have or should pave the way for you to kind of be able to move forward and push forward, okay? Now let's look at the integrity with the low IQ. Got masculine here again. So this masculine is not knowing what they're doing here to you or the situation or even to themselves, okay? Maybe the masculine here has a low IQ. And I don't know, y'all. Maybe I have to read some more. Okay? I don't know. Okay. So, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. These are your messages. I hope that they will be helpful, you all. Thank you so much for joining me. I salute the divinity in you all. I am sending you all so much love, so much light, so much positivity. And I'll see y'all next time, okay? Bye.